Hello everyone. Here we are on a Monday afternoon, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it is the 3rd of February, 2020. We're flying around the house on Clearview Road again today. I don't see too many people there. There's one or two persons there in the corner of the building working, but it looks like the roof's all on and they're doing some other finishing work there. Pretty nice day today. Temperatures are in the upper 50s, supposed to hit 60, which is really unbelievable for the third day in February. Nice sunny day, light breeze. Couldn't ask for too much more. Pretty day. The usual, down in the comment section, there'll be a link down there to get you back to the previous video to check things out. Have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.